Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Mercedes A220. This is the AMG Sport model with a 2.1 CDi diesel 170 brake horsepower engine matted to the 7-speed auto gearbox. The car was first registered in October 2013, one former keeper from new, with a full service history comprising 5 services, last done end of March 2018 at just under 62,000 miles. Mileage on the vehicle currently 66,700 miles. Car benefits from an MOT until the 5th of December 2018. Is only 115 grams of CO2, which equates to just £30 a year road tax, and the manufacturer's claimed average MPG is 64.2 to the gallon. Very good set of tyres on the vehicle, with Pirelli and Goodyear run flats on the rear on 5mm of tread, a new tyre on the driver's side front, and a Goodyear run flat tyre with 4mm on the driver's side front. The car is finished in Obsidian Black metallic and is in very good condition. Just as the exterior of the vehicle, the interior is in very good condition. This model benefits from the optional full leather interior with a red stitching, ISOFIX location points to both outer rear seats, electrically operated front and rear windows, electric wing mirrors, automatic headlamp illumination, automatic windscreen wipers. This model features the optional satellite navigation as well as the heated leather seats. Radio, CD player, auxiliary USB and Bluetooth music streaming, as well as Bluetooth telephone connectivity. This lovely AMG Sport model will be supplied with full book pack, full set of tailored carpet mats, single remote control key. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding the warranties we have on offer, as well as the special low rate finance. We have an interactive finance calculator on our website where you can change monthly payments and terms to suit customer budget. The advertised offer is with a 20% deposit over a 48-month term, monthly payments of £269.19, only 10.5 APR. Any questions, do get in touch, but thank you for watching this video.